एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस इस वीडियो में देखेंगे लीनियर इक्वेशंस के। एंड द क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द एजेस ऑफ टू फ्रेंड्स Ani and Biju differ by 3 years. There are two friends, Ani and Biju, and their ages differ by 3 years. Ani's father Dharam is twice as old as Ani. The age of Dharam, and Dharam is the father of Ani, and the age of Dharam is twice as old as Ani. Ani के एज का ट्वाइस है धर्म की एज, and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. और बीजू की सिस्टर कैथी है और बीजू की एज सिस्टर की एज की ट्वाइस है. बीजू इज ट्वाइस एज ओल्ड एज सिस्टर कैथी एंड द एजेस ऑफ कैथी एंड धर्म डिफर बाय 30 इयर्स. कैथी और धर्म के एज का डिफरेंस 30 इयर्स है. देन फाइंड द एजेस ऑफ अनी एंड बीजू. So let age of Ani be X years and age of Kathy, age of Biju be Y years. We have supposed the age of Ani is X years and the age of Biju be Y years, and their ages differ by 3 years. Means their difference of the ages is 3 years. Means X minus Y equals to 3. Age of Ani is X years, age of Biju is Y years, and according to the statement, their ages differ by 30 years. Ani and Biju differ by 30 years. Means differ by 3 years. Means the difference between their ages is 3 years. Now Ani's father Dharam is twice as old as Ani. Dharam is the father of Ani, and Dharam is twice as old as Ani, and the age of Ani is X. Then the age of Dharam will be 2x, because Dharam is twice as old as Ani. So age of Ani is X years and Dharam is twice the age of the Ani. So Dharam's age will be 2x, and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. बीजू की एज सिस्टर कैथी की एज की ट्वाइस है. सिस्टर कैथी, एज ऑफ सिस्टर कैथी, एज ऑफ सिस्टर कैथी. सो बीजू इज ट्वाइस एज ओल्ड एज सिस्टर कैथी. बीजू सिस्टर की एज का ट्वाइस है. बीजू सिस्टर की एज का ट्वाइस है, यानी सिस्टर कैथी की एज बीजू की एज की हाफ होगी. द एज ऑफ बीजू इज ट्वाइस एज ओल्ड एज कैथी. बीजू की एज कैथी की ट्वाइस है. इसका कन्वर्स करके देखिए. इसका मतलब हुआ कि कैथी की जो एज है वो बीजू की एज की आधी है, हाफ है. एंड देयर एजेस एंड द एजेस ऑफ कैथी एंड धर्म डिफर बाय 30 years. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर एजेस इज 30 years. 2x minus y by 2 equals to 30. Solve this equation by taking cross multiplication. So 4x minus y equals to 60. This is the second number equation. Now we solve both the equations. So from first and second. So first is x minus y equals to 3 and second is 4x minus y equals to 60. We use elimination method. So change the sign, y and y cancelled, and minus 4x plus x, minus 3x and minus 60 plus 3, minus 57, minus minus cancelled, and x equals to 57 by 3 means 19 years. So the age of x means age of Ani. So Ani's age equals to x equals to 19 years. And next we have to find the age of Biju. So we put the value of x in equation number first. So from first we get x minus y means 19 minus y equals to 3, and minus y equals to 3 minus 19, minus y equals to minus 16, minus and minus cancelled, and we get y equals to 16. The value of y means Biju's age equals to y equals to 16 years. And their ages already differ by 3. 19 minus 6, 3. Next question. One sage, give me 100. One sage, give me 100. One sage, give me 100. Friend, I shall then become twice. Friend, I shall then become twice. I shall then become twice as rich as you. As rich as you. Then the other replies. The other replies. The other replies. If you give me 10. If you give me 10. If you give me. If you give me 10. Means if you give me rupees 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. I shall be 6 times. I shall be 6 times as rich you. I shall be 6 times as rich as you. As rich as you. So, tell me what is the amount of their capital. Then, what is the amount? What is the amount of their capital? उनके पास इनिशियली कितने रुपए थे, ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. One says, give me 100 friend, I shall then become twice as rich as you. The other replies, if you gave me rupees 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Then what is the amount of their capital? Let one has rupees X. One has the capital rupees X and other has. One has the capital rupees X and other has rupees Y. So one says, give me 100 friend. Other is the friend. So one says, give me 100. I shall then become twice. तो जब अदर ने इसको 100 दे दिया तो इसके पास कितने रुपए हो गए? x प्लस 100। और अदर ने इसे 100 रुपीज दिए तो इसके पास जो कैपिटल थे उसमें 100 लेस हो गए, y माइनस 100। सो आई शैल देन बिकम ट्वाइस एज रिच एज यू। तो मेरे पास जितना कैपिटल है तुम्हारे पास जो कैपिटल है उसका ट्वाइस। वन सेज गिव मी 100, he says to other give me 100. When he give him rupees 100, then one had become x plus 100 and other had become y minus 100. So one tells, if you give me 100, then I shall become twice as rich as you. मेरे पास उतना ही होगा, तुम्हारा डबल हो जाएगा। So solve this, x plus 100 equals to 2y minus 200 and x minus 2y equals to minus 200 minus 100 means minus 3. Then other replies, if you give me rupees 10, तो इसने इसको रुपीज 10 दे दिए तो इसके पास कितने रह गए? x माइनस 10। इसने 10 रुपीज इसको दिए तो इसके अमाउंट में से 10 कम हो गए, x माइनस 10, और इसके पास 10 रुपीज आ गए, which is equals to y plus 10. So if you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you be. अब अदर कह रहा है कि if you give me 10, then I shall be means other, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. मेरे पास तुम्हारे जो अमाउंट है उसका 6 टाइम हो जाएगा, मेरे पास तुम्हारे अमाउंट का 6 टाइम्स हो जाएगा। नाउ सॉल्व दिस, सो 6x minus 60 equals to y plus 10 and 6x minus y equals to 10 plus 60. This is 70. Now we have to solve these two equations and we have to make the coefficient equal. So here is minus 2y and here is y. So we multiply the whole term of equation number 2 by 2. So first equation is x minus 2y equals to minus 300 and multiply this whole equation by 2 and write down below this. So 6 into 2, 12x minus 5 into 2 minus 2y equals to 70 into 2, 140. Now subtract and change the sign. Minus plus minus 2y and 2y cancelled, 12x minus and plus x, it becomes minus x equals to minus of 440, minus and minus cancelled and x equals to 440 upon 11 and this is 4. So 1/2 means 1/2 rupees x and the value of x is 40 rupees. And how many other have the capital? So put the value of x in equation number first. So from equation number first, x minus 2y is equals to minus of 300, and the value of x is 40, minus 2y equals to minus 300, minus 2y equals to minus 300 and minus 40. So minus 2y equals to minus of 340, minus and minus cancelled, and y equals to 340 upon 2, 170. So x equals to rupees 40 and y equals to rupees 170. So this is the result. Next is solve the equation. Solve the equation. And the question is x by a minus y by b equals to 0. X by a minus y by b equals to 0. And another equation is ax plus by equals to a square plus b square. So firstly we will write this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So we take LCM. LCM will be AB. It gives bx minus ay equals to 0, and by cross multiplication the result comes to be bx minus ay equals to 0. This is the first number equation. Write down the second number equation. Ax plus by equals to a square plus b square. Second number equation. Now we solve this equation by cross multiplication method. Write down x equals to y equals to minus 1. When we take x, close the term containing x, multiply in this direction from top to bottom, and coefficients will be multiplied. So minus a multiplied by a square plus b square, and minus for formula. When minus a multiplied by this, then plus b multiplied by 0, and anything multiplied by 0 we get 0. When we take y, close this and multiply in this direction from bottom to top. This will get closed. So a into 0, 0, and minus b into a square plus b square. B into a square plus b square. When we take the constant term, close this and multiply again from top to bottom. So b into b square minus a into minus a square, and x upon minus a into a square plus b square equals to y upon 0 minus this minus b a square plus b square equals to minus 1 upon b square minus becomes plus a square. Now we solve first and last. So from first and last, x upon minus a and a square plus b square equals to minus 1 upon b square plus a square. X cancelled, minus and minus cancelled, and it gives x equals to a. Now solve second and third part. So y upon minus b a square plus b square equals to minus 1 upon b square plus a square, minus minus becomes plus. So these are the two values, x equals to a and y equals to b. See next question, px plus qy. Px plus qy equals to p minus q. Px plus qy equals to p minus q and qx minus py. Qx minus py is equals to p plus q. First equation, second equation. Again we solve this equation by cross multiplication method. So write down the formula: x, y and minus of 1. When we take x, then close this, multiply it in this direction. So q multiplied by p plus q. Q into p plus q. Minus, then when q multiplied by p plus q, then minus p multiplied by p minus q. So this minus and this minus becomes plus, and p into p minus q. Then we take y, close this, and multiplication would be in direction from bottom to top. So q into p minus q and minus p multiplied by p plus q. P multiplied by p plus q. When we take minus 1, close this and multiply from top to. So p into minus p plus p into minus p. It becomes minus p square and minus q into q. It gives q square. Now we solve x upon pq plus q square plus p square minus pq, y upon pq minus q square minus p square minus pq equals to minus 1, taking minus as common, so it gives p square plus q square. Now plus pq minus pq cancel, x upon p square plus q square plus pq minus pq cancelled, y upon minus taking common, p square plus q square minus and minus cancelled, 1 upon p square plus q square. Now from first and last, x upon p square plus q square equals to 1 upon p square plus q square, p square plus q square cancelled, and we get the value of x equals to 1. From second and third, y upon minus p square plus q square equals to 1 upon p square plus q square, and the value of y is minus 1. These are the two solutions.